Alrighty, hi guys. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add pictures of your work from your notebook using your phone's camera. Okay, first off, you are going to need to download this app that you see on the screen. It is the Google Slides app. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and click it. And when you click it, you'll see all the work that you have recently opened up on your computer. Okay? Once you see the assignment you're looking for, you're going to click that. Okay, you'll notice at the bottom of my slide, I already went through on my computer and I added the different duplicate slides. So you can see here I have 3 slides at the bottom that I keep touching, and they're all the same. But you have to duplicate these slides on your computer for the number of slides that you'll need for that assignment. Okay, so how you're going to do it on the first slide. For this specific assignment, let's say I needed to post pages 3, 10, and 14. Okay, I'm going to click on the first slide and I'm going to type page 3. Okay, let me see. Page 3. Okay, and then in this black box, I need to add my picture. To add my picture, I'm going to click this plus sign that is at the top. And you'll notice when I click that top plus sign, and let me show you again, it's right here, right at the top, next to that A at the top. When I click that plus sign, this little menu pops up and it says Insert. I'm going to click where it says Image, and I'll do From Camera. When I do From Camera, it'll open up my camera, and I can then take a picture of my work. Once I take a picture, I'll click Use Photo, and it puts it in. I'll use these blue corners to drag the picture to the correct spot and to resize it. Okay, then I can move on to slide 2. For slide 2, I know I needed to take a picture of page 10. So I'm going to type in 10, and then I'll click that plus sign, Insert, Image, From Camera. Okay, and then I will flip to page 10, or whichever page was in that assignment. Okay, here is page 10, and I'll click Use Photo. Okay, you will do that for all of your slides that you need in this assignment. Okay, I hope that helps. Make sure after you add your photos that you go back to Schoology on your computer and you submit your assignment. Okay, good luck.